We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting related and some of the most mispronounced names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning how do you say it. Well, in English this is normally said as Geoffrey, although some people, some other families and maybe some other countries, or depending on the origin of the person, they may say it as Geoffrey. But generally speaking, in English this is pronounced just like Geoffrey, the name that is spelled with J-E at the beginning, Geoffrey, or sometimes Geoffrey. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.